Before start understanding what is Git, let us think about why Git. Any computer project is a collaboration of multiple developers. So lot of developers collaborate over a single project or a single code repository or a code folder. Now, when they want to exchange code with each other, it can be very difficult if you do use some kind of file management system, right? You are like, making the zip copy of your folder, sending to your friend, and he is trying to integrate the module. It become very messy and complicated. To resolve this problem, there is a solution which is known as Git. Or there are some similar solution are also there. SVN is also there, but here we are totally focused on Git, which is very latest, and everybody inside the industry is using Git for managing their code. So now let us see what exactly Git is. Git is a version control system. It keeps tracks of all your files inside the computer. So if you define some folder as a Git repository, inside that folder, every file can be tracked by Git and you can share it in an optimal way. So it is a version control system. So version mean like, you can go to new version or previous version, things like that. Git is a special kind of version control system where we can have distributed version control. Mean like you can have your own copy of code at your machine. Some of your friends can have own copy of their code inside their machine, and there can be a master copy at the server end. There are some other kind of version control systems are also there, which are centralized in nature. So everybody uses the same set of code, but Git is special on its own way. So here, like, every developer have its own control over the code, and whenever they want to push a change, they can push a change. So it has its own advantages, and people can have good control over their code set. So Git helps you to coordinate with multiple developers. So every developer can have their own repository, and when they have made their changes, they can push to the branch, and the person who is going to need that code, they can pull it from there. So it helps you to coordinate with multiple developers. So by using Git, you can easily track who made what changes, right? So it keep tracks of like this set or this bunch of line inside a file has been changed by this person. So like in the future, if you want to see like, why they have put it this line, by using the Git inside your project, you can easily track it, and you can go back to that person and ask like, why he have made those changes. If you are using Git inside your project, it is easy to revert back to the previous time. Anytime, like, you can go to the previous commit and you can make your head at that position, and you can start working from at the previous time. Moreover, like, sometime what happens, you want to refer at the previous position, you want to see that code again. So by using it, those things also become very easy. Inside Git, we have two kind of repository. One is your local repository, another is your remote repository. Remote repository present at the server end, your local repository present at your own machine where you are writing your code. So by coordinating with local and remote repository, you can share your code, and you can also create a backups of your code. If you are using Git inside your project and you are making proper commit at right times, that time there is a high chance you will never lose your code ever. So use of Git in every software development project is highly recommended, and I congratulate you, you have chosen to study the Git by using this course.